Frozen. Very cold and turned into ice. The water is frozen in the bottle. The lake is frozen in winter. Envelope. A paper cover used to put a letter or card. I put the letter in an envelope. Please write your name on the envelope. Organize. To arrange things in order so they look neat and are easy to find. I will organize my books. Can you organize the kitchen shelves? Shoot. To fire a gun. Don't shoot, it's dangerous. The sound of the shooting was loud. Charity. Helping people in need by giving money, things, or time. She gave money to charity. He works for a charity to help poor children. Cheer. To shout happily or to make someone feel happy. She smiled to cheer me up. Please cheer him up. He is sad. Loud. Making a lot of noise. The music is too loud. Don't be so loud in the library. Thorn. A sharp point on a plant or flower that can hurt you if you touch it. The rose has thorns on its stem. Don't touch that plant. It's full of thorns. Knob. A small round handle that you turn or push to open door or drawer. The knob on the drawer is broken. She turned the knob to open the door. Gender. Being a boy or a girl or man or woman. Her gender is female. The form asks for your name and gender.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!